I'm going to show you how to make turkey soup out of leftover turkeys after the holidays are done. Okay, so while our vegetables are over here sweating, we're going to come over here and we're going to cut this carcass down a little bit just to make it a little more manageable inside of our stock pot. So, I mean, you could leave it whole like this. I'm just going to cut it in half. So what you want to do is find this spot right here, right by the rib cage, and just start working your way inward. And you'll hear some bones crack. Those are ribs. Same thing on the other side. And you know, you might want to use, you know, a super sharp knife. If you've got a cleaver, this would be a good time to use that. So just want to hack into it right there, and you can just really pull this part right here up. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to break the backbone right back here. So let's side where we want it to snap at. Now you got to get your hands dirty. You want to always snap it away from yourself because it's probably going to fling stuff that way. So, if it flings anything at all. It just depends on how dramatically it snaps. That one snapped with very little fanfare whatsoever, so we're fine. So that is how we're going to prepare this. We're going to put this in our pot when we add our water to it. So, off we go.